Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Cressi weight belt, a very traditional weight belt, 2-inch webbing, metal buckle, nothing overly fancy. Let's see how it arrives. So this is how it arrives in a nice cardboard box. Cressi weight belt on the front, just barcodes on the side, but on the inside you get the weight belt itself. And it actually comes fully assembled and stitched as well, which is quite nice. Normally they're not stitched, normally they're just threaded through. But yeah, let's take a closer look at the belt itself. So this is traditional 2-inch webbing. This is quite a soft webbing for a weight belt, so that'll be quite easy to thread quite nicely. As you can see, they've cut the very sort of end into a pointed tip, so that's going to make your life a lot easier trying to get it through the buckle. If it's just a flat tape, it makes it quite hard, it gets caught on things, but when it's at an angle it's quite nice. Plenty of length, so for any scuba diver, plenty of space. And yeah, they've actually stitched the buckle on, which I think is the first time I've ever seen that, to be honest. But yeah, very strong, very reliable, and it's not going anywhere. Buckle itself, very traditional. You've got the Cressi sort of classic logo on that, a lift tab, and then when you put it in and clamp it down, that's nice. Sometimes they can be a bit stiff, which makes actually opening it up quite tricky. But this one it's like smack dab in the middle. It's not too loose, but it's just right, very Goldilocks. So yeah, a good, strong, traditional weight belt, 2 inches. Otherwise, nothing overly fancy. And that's the Cressi weight belt. Yeah, traditional weight belt, as simple as it gets, but very strong and reliable, and a nice action on it. There'll be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com, and there'll be a link that will take you straight to this weight belt down in the description below. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.